Oh, here we go again. Welcome in second video of my fight with outdated cables and making everything USB-C compatible. In this video I will be upgrading my lovely Game Boy Advance SP AGS001. Now, instead of using my upgraded JRC B008 USB-Cs, I've got special board for Game Boy Advance SP from AliExpress. Description says that it supports almost all chargers, including MacBook One. It also comes with masking bracket. What the hell? It's offset. How awful. It looked normal on the website. Huh? Oh, you motherfucker. Well, whatever. My second quest, more like repair than upgrade, will be replacing shoulder buttons. Before I tried to repair this button with small rubber nip, but it was very mushy. So I replaced original two buttons with universal ones that look almost exactly like OEM. They have no supporting legs, so they bend, and nips are made not from soft rubber, but hard plastic, so they are very loud and harder to press. These new buttons were also ordered from AliExpress and look like OEM salvage from other console. Let's try to not mess it up. First things first, I started to disassemble my handheld. One Phillips screw and I could remove battery. To remove 6 screws on bottom plate I needed special tri-wing screwdriver. This type of screws is used in many Nintendo products. To remove motherboard, I had to unscrew 3 Phillips screws. Then I had to unplug screen ribbon cable. And I had motherboard in my hands. I secured small components with Kapton tape and started blasting my components with hot air. It was highly successful and thankfully didn't melt anything. Also, when removing charging port, I successfully kept solder pads intact. So far so good. Then I prepared board for new components with flux and little bit of solder. But before soldering I tried this USB-C board. For USB-C to USB-A, first side had almost 5.2 volts. Excellent. This console needs exactly this voltage. Second side, no surprises, same results, works great. Then I connected USB-C to USB-C cable. Oh, 0 volts. Maybe second side? What the hell? They lied to me. Description was misleading. That's why I will never forgive the Chinese. Thankfully they refunded. Now, with free board, I decided that USB-C to USB-A is enough and probably safer from unexpected overvoltage from USB PD. Despite being offset, whole assembly feels good. With hotter, soldering shoulder buttons was fairly easy. On the end, I used isopropyl alcohol to clean this dirty board. I left some residue, but I just want to try if everything is alright. Uh-oh. Fear not, this problem could be caused by bad connection from screen ribbon cable. I tried to reset it. Now blank screen. I was a little worried. There was a possibility that I somehow broke this geezer. Now I thought that maybe LCD connector is wet or dirty, so I cleaned it and reset ribbon cable again and again. Yes, now it works, but no sound. There is no sound! Oh, I had enough of its tomfoolery. My main suspect was tiny bit misaligned USB-C port. My thoughts was that pin 4 or pin 5 could be badly soldered or shorted, so I resoldered it and rotated a little bit. Took me some time. And then it worked! My USB-C tester showed expected voltage and amperage, so it seems that my console is safe. No sound? Again? Maybe because of this tester. Wait, what is it? Why it sounds distorted when charging? Maybe issue is with well-known weak GBA SP audio components and the ground loops. Maybe again my solder job failed, but it seemed like minor issue, so I left that. I don't play when console is charging. I tried my new buttons and they work flawlessly. Even though it isn't ideal, I was satisfied enough how things turned out. My console is fully working and now has USB-C port. So on the end, I ran aging stress test. It is all for today. With small issues, my modification was successful and I can get rid of unordered cables, feeding my weird type of digital minimalism.